Welcome at the Hague University of Applied Sciences. My name is Mark Leemhuis. I am one of the professors here at the Process and Food Technology Department. We are a program that is originating from chemical technology. We added food technology aspects to the classical chemical technology that we used to teach. We started with the Filament Maker 1, which is the precursor of this new machine that we have now as of today. And with our students, take materials, shred them into extrudable pellets, dry them and feed them through the extruder to wind and use in a 3D print application. If we want to take it a step further, we can even ask our students to see if they can take different kinds of materials and blend them into something new, which will then have new characteristics that might serve a purpose as a consumer product somehow, somewhere. With the previous model, we had some issues that have been completely covered with the new one. So I'm very excited to see what this machine can do for us and what we can do with this machine.